Alrighty, so your entry point right here
Order
would
filled.
have been there, guys. That would have been the signal to take your entry to the upside on CYMO right there. And I took the entry to the upside because momentum was rising right there. Cycle looked like it was just about to roll over right there from coming all the way down to the threshold. Now, a confirmation signal that you could have taken here, and I will go ahead and pause this for a second to make commentary on this, okay? Here's how you could have said to yourself, all right, well, yes, this is actually indeed going up, okay? The moment that the acceleration line, I'll just call it the purple line to make it simple, came all the way down here and tilted up, this was confirmation that your cycle was also going to eventually turn around. So the moment you saw cycle turn around and momentum rising, you also had the wave line above the zero line and way above the threshold, this center threshold here. This would have been a confirmation that, hey, you know what? Maybe I should be taking that to the long side right here. I'll put a little marker right there for you guys to see exactly what it is I'm talking about there. Okay, and let's see where each of these indicators respectively would have taken you out of the trade. So I'll go ahead and replay it again. All right, this would have been the exit right here for ScalpMO the moment it fell below the zero line. So I will put a little marker here. And with CYMO, your exit won't be until cycle either crosses with momentum or crosses below the zero line. But given that momentum is way above the threshold and cycle is rising, momentum is also above this lower threshold, we're going to let this bad boy ride a little bit and see how far it takes us, okay? That'll show you a few other interesting things that I think you'll appreciate. Now, here's something that you have to be mindful of too, okay? If you ever see the acceleration line hit this bottom threshold right here, there's a good chance it's going to slinky back, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an ellipse right there because this is something that should be watched in the process of trading right there, okay? If you ever see that right there, you're going to have a reversal. There's a good likelihood you will right there. And that's probably going to be to the upside. Boom, right there. Your wave line is still above the threshold here, coming down towards the zero line, and we had cycle just cross over the zero line right there. So if we count our cycles, you have cycle 1, cycle 2 just began right there. Okay. Now, what's interesting here is that this is continuing its upside as the purple line crossed above the zero line. That's, again, what is that? That's your acceleration, okay? And this is getting pretty toppy right here. Look at this. Hit the top right there. So we are going to see where this takes us out because this is interesting. We're up about 140 points at one point I saw right there, so not bad. Typically, when you see something like this, if you want to scalp it, this is a great exit to do so right here. All right, so I will put an ellipse on that as well. Okay, so if you're a scalper, you want to get out right there. Okay, the moment the acceleration line, the purple line, hit this top threshold, that is it. It perfectly nailed the top right there. Okay, your exit would be right here.
Order filled.
With CYMO. Okay, now to confirm that this is a correct exit, look at this. You just had the purple line cross below the zero line, and you also had cycle number 2 complete itself right there. So your exit would have been right there with CYMO. Boom. Okay. Now this does look like it's going down nicely here. You still have, okay, this here with CYMO is also a short signal. Okay, so you take
Order
that
filled.
to the short side, and you also have confirmation from here too. Look, you've got the purple line below the threshold and the wave line pretty darn close to the zero line right there as well. So you could have jumped in it right here when it tilted down. So I'm probably a bar late here on ScalpMO, but I will go ahead and put the marker there for you, okay? I will be posting this afterwards so you guys can analyze it all you want right there. And right there as well, okay? Now your exit points are going to be a little different. ScalpMO aims to nail the clips in the spectrum. It won't catch the momentum swings, and it tries to avoid keeping you out of the chop as well. So let's see how this trade evolves right here. And it looks like our acceleration line right here is just about to cross above the zero line once this is done. Okay, it did right there. So this would probably be a scratch if you were trading right there, okay? That would be your exit if you were trading with ScalpMO. Now your exit with CYMO is not over just yet, okay? Your exit with CYMO will happen once either cycle crosses above the zero line or cycle and momentum end up intersecting. So let's see where that ends up. I thought I had this at a faster speed. Let me go ahead and bump it up one notch right there. Actually, let me pause it and restart it right here. Maybe that helps. So all of a sudden I kind of feel that it went a little slow on me. Yeah, it does look like it went a little slow on me. Hang on a second. Let me see if I could adjust this. Yeah, I see here on the tick timer it is moving a little faster at 30 times the speed. Maybe I'll put it at 40 times the speed, or 50. Get this thing to actually move. All right, now it's moving. Yeah, I promised I wouldn't keep you guys here forever. Okay, so now it's moving. All right, so your exit would be right here with CYMO, okay? So buy that back.
Order filled.
30, 40 points, whatever that was right there. And you don't yet have an entry to the upside just yet. I want to see momentum perhaps just turn up a little bit right here, and if I'm going to see an entry to the upside, I certainly want to see the acceleration line cross above the zero line right there. I want to see it cross above the zero line, and I want to see the waveform. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what I want to see right there. All right, so if I wanted to gain confidence to take this trade, look at this. We just had acceleration go right above the zero line and above this threshold, and you had the wave line right here hit the bottom threshold, which is perfect, okay? This tells me that that price is going to turn. So I really don't have to wait for my momentum to actually tilt up before taking this trade. Now look at this. You see, CYMO's got the big picture locked down, capturing the major swings that are happening. In fact, it caught this swing right there, whereas ScalpMO didn't. It got you out here, kept you out of some of this choppy zone right here that you were in. Okay, came down for one final pull down, and now it's moving up right there. Okay. So ScalpMO is basically taking this information right here and really drilling down, giving you the perfect entries to go in. Now you get both these indicators working together, that's a game changer. Okay, this would have been your exit here with ScalpMO. All right, let me go ahead and mark that down for you. Right there, that would have been your exit, okay, for a 50, 60 point winner. And if you wanted, you could actually take the exit off right here as well with CYMO, if you wanted to, right there, because you did have the cycle cross below the zero line right there. Okay, so I will go ahead and take that off right there.
Order filled.
Okay, put this bad boy on pause because it is about 3:30 right there. Here's the thing. This is happening in real time, guys, okay? The indicators are not lagging. And if you're trading without these tools, you're missing out on precision like this, okay? While others are struggling to keep up, CYMO and ScalpMO are showing you exactly where the market's headed. Every trade, every entry locked in before the move even happens, okay? In fact, I'll highlight the entry points right here again, okay? Because I will make this video, I will post this video for you guys to see. You guys can replay it on my YouTube channel as many times, many times as you want, okay? You see how smooth this is on the 1,000 tick chart? There's no noise, no guessing, just clean, calculated entries. Okay, this is the kind of stability every trader needs. And if you're serious about stepping up your game, you can't ignore how well these two indicators work together. Now, if you're watching thinking, I need these tools, you're absolutely right. You know, CYMO has been a powerhouse for catching trends such as this, okay? And ScalpMO, well, ScalpMO's free, actually. It's free. You know, when you sign up, you can't pass that up. The two work together like magic. So don't miss your chance to use what I'm using right now to consistently hit these entries, okay? You can look, the link's in my bio. All you need to do is sign up, and ScalpMO comes free. It's that simple. You've seen what these tools can do on the 10,000 tick chart. Now imagine what they'll do for your trading. You don't want to be the one missing out while others are locking in profits with precision like this. So this is your opportunity to upgrade your trading and take control. So you guys could click the link in my bio and get both ScalpMO and CYMO and start seeing the results for yourself. And don't wait, guys, till the market moves without you. Take these bad boys for a 7-day test drive. See if you like them. They're licensed through NinjaTrader. I will open it up now for Q&A because I promised you guys I'd be respectful of your time.